In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Escape the Tsunami for Brainrots Discord server. If you have the server invite link, joining the community is quick and easy. First, open the Discord app on your computer or mobile device. Once Discord is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen and click the plus icon. This will open the Add a Server menu. From the available options, click Join a Server. You'll now see a text box where you can enter a Discord invite link. Type or paste the invite link exactly as provided. Make sure the invite link is entered correctly, as even a small mistake can prevent you from joining the server. Once you've entered the invite link, click the Join Server button in the bottom right corner. Discord will then open the server invitation page. If the invite link is valid, you'll be able to join the server immediately. After joining, you may need to complete a few verification steps, accept the server rules, or choose roles before gaining access to all channels. Simply follow the instructions provided within the server. Once completed, you'll have full access to the Escape the Tsunami for Brainrots Discord community. And that's how to join the Escape the Tsunami for Brainrots Discord server. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, Discord guides, and gaming tips.